How to get Instagram QR code. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, go to the profile that you want to get the QR code of. Once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu list, click on Show QR Code at the bottom. As you can see, this is the account QR code, so feel free to scan it or save it or whatever you want to do, but that's how you can get an Instagram account QR code. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find any Instagram account QR code. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that, I'll see you in the next video.